this morning coming in.
Oh,
Have you ever
yeah.
been?
I don't think I have, but I think I know what you're talking about.
It's a parking lot. It really.
Yeah, I was able to have a little diversion, nice little drive. Good morning, everyone. This is Judge Alyssa Perez presiding over the 210th District Court Civil Docket for May 17, 2023. All matters being heard today are being heard in accordance with all emergency orders and directives regarding COVID-19. In addition to that, we are streaming all matters live via YouTube for public viewing. Mr. Marufo, would you call our first case, please?
Second on page 1, Judge. In cause number 2019 DCV 3415, Yvette Castro et al. Versus Oscar Fonseca et al. Announcement of council, please.
Rod Ramos for the plaintiffs. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. I have this as an entry of judgment, Mr. Ramos.
Yes, yesterday I filed the last notice of non-suit. You should have the order, and that would take care of the last of the parties.
Okay. Esteban, if you will check on that order, I did just see it on Odyssey. Odyssey's been really tricky lately, so I hope nobody's had any issues with e-filing. I do see it. Thank you very much, Mr. Ramos. You're excused.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Who's next?
Staying on page 1, Judge. In cause number 2022 DCV 3115, Gertrudis Juliet Carrasco Mesa versus Daniel Romero. Announcement of council, please.
I think James is on mute, but this is Mark Bracken on behalf of Daniel Romero.
Okay, I do see Mr.
Yeah.
Kennedy.
Yeah, I'm off mute. Sorry that I'm stuck in a horrible traffic jam. I'm sorry.
Understood. So we're just here scheduling status conference. You all ready for a trial date in 2024?
Sure, Your Honor.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
What are we? May? All right, let's go. Oh, this is funny. We'll go with May 17th. May 17th, May 15th docket call. We'll get you the scheduling order. Please return it. Have you all discussed mediator?
Ancliffe mediation's okay with me. Is that okay with you, Mark?
That works for us.
Okay.
Sure.
And Cliff, we'll get you the order. Please send it back in 2 weeks within the 2-week setting. Thank you very much. Be careful, Mr. Kennedy. Do you have anything else?
I have one more hearing. It's with Mr. Bracken and Mr. Grambling, who's also looks like he's on. So.
Okay, let's go to that one.
Middle of page 2, Judge. In cause number 2022 DCV 3223, Daniela Torres Navarro et al. Versus Rosa Gabriela Diaz et al. Announcement of council, please.
James Kennedy for the plaintiff.
Randy Grambling for one of the defendants.
Mark Bracken for defendant Rosa Diaz.
All right, this is also scheduling status conference, May 17th as well. Is that good? May 17, 2024?
Yes,
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay,
Yes,
we'll
ma'am.
get to the scheduling order as well. Do we have a mediator?
and Cliff, Your Honor.
Okay.
Sure, that works.
Agreement.
Okay, y'all. Thank you so much. Y'all take care.
Thank you. Bye, Your Honor.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Who's next?
Bottom of page 1, Judge.
Mhm.
In cause number 2022 DCV 3171, Ronald Chambers versus Jesus Manuel Zamora. Announcement of council, please.
For plaintiffs Victor and Joshua Viganowski, Your Honor. Good morning.
Good morning. All right, we're here for a status conference. What's going on in this case?
Case is settled, Your Honor. We just got the documents to you this morning and we apologize. We filed suit and settled it. So we apologize. There was a little delay on the paperwork, but we did get them to you today, Your Honor.
Do you see that, Mr. Esteban, Mr. Dominguez? Are you looking at Myrna's email? Was it sent to Ms. Hernandez, Mr. Biganowski?
Sam, let me, if I can find out. Where did you send the settlement documents?
I can send it right. I can show you right here.
Whose email did you send it to? You sent it to
I sent it to Miss Alyssa Perez
Alyssa
and Sandra
Perez
Aguirre.
and Sandra Aguirre.
Okay, so if you would please send it to my.hernandez, that's Myrna Hernandez. Ms. Aguirre is no longer with the court. And I don't know that I received it. So if you will send it to my.hernandez@EP County, please.
We'll do it right now, Your Honor.
All righty, thank you very much.
May we be excused, Your Honor.
You
I
may.
apologize.
Have a good day.
Have a good day, yes.
Okay, who's next?
Top of page 2, Judge.
Uh-huh.
In cause number 2022 DCV 3093, Ron Cabrera versus Wet Taco Inc. et al. Announcement of council, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Andy Almanzan appearing for the defendant, Waterburger. Good morning.
Mr. Forbes, you were muted if you announced.
I did announce it. I was muted. You're right.
All right. Status conference, gentlemen. We don't have anything else said. What's going on this case?
We just took the first deposition, what was it, last week? Andy?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes,
And
sir.
we just started with discovery.
So you want that May 2024 trial date?
That's this year.
Judge, of this year, next week? That's what you want us to do?
Well, I think very highly of both of you, but I would never give you a trial setting next week. It will be 2024. I don't know, you tell me.
We'll be able to tell our clients we tried to get it tried next week, but we weren't able. But yes, Your Honor.
That's fine.
I would say as earliest as May, I do have a trial in New Mexico that will end on the 24th of May. So it would, for me, respectfully, it would have to be the end of May or June of next year, Your Honor.
Let's do June. Mr. Forbes, do you know of any dates when you're out of pocket? Same for you, Mr. Almanzan.
June of 2024, I'm open right now, Your Honor. Early June would be preferable.
I don't have anything on my calendar.
Let's do June 7th.
Right now, that's fine.
June 7th will be the trial date. June 5th will be the docket call. Do you all have a mediator in mind?
Ancliffe is fine.
Yeah, Chris Antcliffe would be fine with the defendant, Your Honor.
Okay, Ancliffe it is. We'll get you the scheduling order. Please get it completed, return it to the court. We'll see you at the next setting, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you
Take
so
care,
much.
gentlemen. Y'all are excused. Thank you.
Thank you.
I have
Who's
one more. I have one more case at 10:45.
Ooh. Okay. Mr. Marufo, who's next?
Continuing on page 2, Judge, because number 2022 DCV 3221, Brenda Otero versus Circle K Stores Inc. Announcement of council, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Daniela Lapinoti for the plaintiff.
David Whitehurst for the defendant, Your Honor.
Also scheduling status conference. How are we doing on this one? Do you all want a trial date?
Yes, Judge, we had deposition scheduled in July, but sadly, some other attorneys from out of town that are 7 lawyers, they wanted that date, so I had to cancel the depositions. But other than that, we've done written discovery. We need to reschedule the depositions, but let's go ahead and have a trial date.
Are you good with a year out?
That's fine, Judge.
Okay, May 17th as well, 2024. Again, we'll get you the scheduling order. Do you have a mediator in mind? Are you saying we have some attorneys that are missing, Ms. Labinati?
Oh, no, Judge, not on this case. I just canceled the depositions on this case because everybody else bagged me on the other case. So I had to be the bad person and with Mr. David Whitehurst.
Okay.
We'll get them rescheduled quickly.
Yeah,
So
thank you.
May 24th of next year. Did I already ask you all about a mediator?
I think you did, Judge, and we failed to respond. I was thinking I've had success with Judge Villa quite a bit and our Mitch Moss. I'm not sure if my client is a Spanish speaker, but Mr. Whitehurst, do you have any issues with Judge Villa?
No, Judge V is fine.
Okay.
Yeah, it is. If y'all decide something else, just include it on the scheduling order. So we'll get you the scheduling order, return it, and we'll get you your settings, okay?
Okay, perfect. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Who's
Your Honor.
next? And I know Ms. Labinati has one more case, but that one's going to take a minute. So,
Yes, I understand.
so
completely.
let's take care of who we can take care of before that.
Yes,
May I
Judge.
proceed, Your Honor?
Continuing with page 2, Judge, in cause number 2022 DCV 3206, Adelina Patriz et al. Versus Miranda de Santiago et al. Announcement of council, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Marisa Porras on behalf of the plaintiff.
Good morning. Mr. Grambling, are you on this one?
I'm sorry, Your Honor. Yes, Randy Grambling on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
This is also another scheduling conference. Are you all ready for a trial date in May of 2024?
That's fine. If you want to go with the May 24th date, Your Honor, that's fine.
Yes,
Ms.
Judge.
Ramos, I'm sorry, Ms. Ramos, Ms. Porras, yes?
Yes, that works, yeah.
Okay, how about a mediator?
One of the three that everybody uses. What's your preference?
I think either Mitch Moss or Ancliffe would work, Your Honor.
We can give another one to Ancliffe. That's fine.
Okay. And Cliff it is. Again, we'll get you the scheduling order. Please return it. We'll get you your dates. Anything outside of that, please request your hearing.
Thank
All
you.
right. Thank you, Mr. Grambling. Is that all you have? Thank you, Ms. Porras. Okay,
Yeah.
take care, guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Who's next?
Top of page 3, Judge.
Mhm.
In cause number 2022 DCV 2486.
So hold on a second. Hold on a second. Let me make sure. Is that all that's left? Because this is gonna is a motion for summary judgment, right?
I need to reach out to Mr. Chacon, Judge.
What about on page 1, 3066?
I reached out. I didn't get through, Judge.
Okay.
I'll reach out again.
Okay, no attorney on that one. Let me look at it real quick. 306. Ms. Cables, are you able to check, or I don't know, Esteban, if you can you check and see if they received or opened the notice of today's hearing?
Okay, I'll work on it, Judge.
Let's see, the order was sent on April 21st. I think that's what I'm seeing. All right. Mr. Chacon was at 10:15.
Yes, Judge.
All right, let's just take a quick break. Who is, let's see who's here for what, and then we can start the motion for summary judgment.
That's all I have up to now, Judge.